Don't throw away your old cucumbers. Cucumbers are loved by many. There's nothing quite like the crisp and refreshing mild flavor. They have multiple health benefits. I always say do it for the skin. Homegrown and store-bought alike don't last very long, but don't throw them out. After they begin to wilt, use them as a smoothie base. I use my NutriBullet all year long. I highly recommend using one for reliability and fantastic function. I also recommend this knife. I've had it for a few years and it's not overpriced, but works well. If you've been thinking about investing in a good blender, you can use the link below, and the knife link is here as well. Just chop them up, toss in the blender with some water, and voila! This mix can be used as a base for any smoothie, or you can also freeze the mix in an ice tray to use for later. The ice cubes make a delicious ice water, or they can be used like regular ice cubes in a smoothie, but with added no effort health benefits. Little steps like this can go a long way towards your self-care. So save some money and enjoy your cucumbers.